Good day, magandang araw. Our discussion for today talks about hedonism and utilitarianism. So these two are connected to each other. Utilitarianism is founded by John Stuart Mill, Jeremy Bentham, who wrote the Principles of Moral in Legislation, and John Stuart Mill. Okay, so another proponent who supported Jeremy Bentham. So for utilitarianism, what is good is what is useful. Okay, what is useful is what is good. So we have to set morality in the perspective of the community. Kung maganda ito in this people, it is to be adopted by these people. But if it is not, then these people must reject this. Okay, so what is said by the majority, this is to be followed because the majority speaks what is right. Okay, so that is utilitarianism. Okay, our decision making in perceiving the good must be seen and contextualized to what is useful, to what is pleasing to a particular community. Okay, now hedonism naman, it speaks about pleasure and pain. We have to disregard pain. We have to be open for pleasure. What is pleasurable is what is good. That is hedonism. That's why we have to eat and we have to drink, for tomorrow we will die. We have to satisfy the pleasure of the world. Okay? Because satisfying the pleasure of the world, we are to overcome our pain. Okay, so utilitarianism and hedonism are connected to each other. However, by utilitarianism, it is centered on the dictates of the majority, the perspective of the majority, and to the occasional incidences that is happening. For this moment, I have to decide. So, I have to decide what is practical. That is utilitarianism. So, now, hedonism is rooted in utilitarianism. Utilitarianism is rooted in hedonism because we have to disregard pain. We have to be open for pleasure. But in our life as a person, part of our moral discovery, part of our human discovery is the discovery of hardship and sacrifice, which is given by our human nature. Okay, so now, dito po nagtatapos ang ating discussion and salamat sa pakikinig. Hanggang sa muli.